let's see how much weight we add to the Mavic Mini. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Mavic seems to be more interested to come here early, so let me turn him. Call him like a robot now, I should tell him it, but anyway. So there you go. So guys, today I want to present something that, well, we don't see often because the Mini is a brand new drone, but there are new accessories that just started to come out. So let me just turn off here my controller also, and my cell phone. So there you go. So a well-known company, and I got this little box here from China, PGYTECH. They make accessories for drones, and they just came up with landing gear extension for the Mavic Mini. I think, I could be wrong, I think this is the first accessory available for the Mini. And if you can see here with the side camera, when the Mini lands, it's actually like the legs in the back are very short. Here they're longer. These are the antennas over here, by the way. So very short. So if you land on sand, actually you shouldn't. On grass, it's too small to land on grass. I say no on sand because look at the back here. The ports are not sealed, so I would not land this on the beach, for example. So PGYTECH came up with this thing here, and oh, there is a sticker right in the middle of the. These stickers are hard to remove, I find. There you go. They're right where the tab is. So with this, you can make your Mini higher. And what I like a lot about PGYTECH, I would like to take this opportunity to say so, it's the packaging. Like, to me, quality product comes in quality packaging, and you have this is the case with PGYTECH, and it's very tight, hopefully. Hey, there you go. Wow, look at that. It's a nice piece, very nice piece of foam, and we have here a little plastic bag. Okay, the manual is in a plastic pouch. Interesting. So what is this? Is it stickers? I have no idea. I have no idea, guys. This is probably stickers. And nothing else in the box except for this little thing here. Landing gear attachment, so they explain how to put the gears, open this, close that. Okay, that seems to be simple enough. And detachment. Okay, so we'll try that. You know what? And I hope I can do a clear focus. Look at that. Very nice build quality, like very nice. And I'm impressed. And I think I paid like 20 bucks for this. I will put the link in my video description. I got that on Amazon, but it's not shipped by Amazon. It is shipped by PGYTECH directly, so that comes from China. Okay, so for these ones, you're supposed to open them like this. Okay, like sideways like that. The same with this one. And these here go in the front. So the straight ones go in the front. They go, I wonder if there's a side for these. Let me see. Let me see. They probably fit only in one way. There you go. Like that. And like this. Like this. Yeah, look at that. And for the back, I'm going to show here with the side camera. You press here and they fit right there. Like that. So you press firmly in place. You have to be in line here, as you can see, with the back, with the end of the back rotor or arm. And this is what you get. Let me put this here. This is the height that you get. A lot more. Look at that. It's quite impressive actually. And if you want to leave them on, you can just fold them like so. They fold in here like that. You can fold the back here down and this one down also. And let's see if we can fold the whole thing. If they were designed so that you can leave the extensions on as you fold. Yes, you can. Look at that. You can. And let's see if it fits. I don't see why it wouldn't, but let's see if it fits inside. It doesn't fit back in here. No, it doesn't. It doesn't fit back. The legs are too long here. They're easy to put down and to remove, and you just open like this, open like this, open the side like that, and open the side like that, and they lock into place. Look at that! The Mavic Mini is only 249 grams. Now with these legs, we are going to exceed that weight, but let's see here by how much. So I'm going to remove the 4. So with the 4 extensions removed, let's see how much weight we add to the Mavic Mini. So let's reset that to 0. 18 grams, exactly 18 grams. So that means you will exceed 250 grams. So in countries like Canada, if you were to fly with the extensions, you would have to have your pilot license. The drone would have to be registered. And on top of that, if you want to fly in a city close to an airport, because the whole city is a controlled airspace. So if you want to fly in the city, you would have to have your advanced pilot license, registration, same thing. But you would have also to notify the authorities. In Canada, it's NAV Canada, a couple of days in advance that you want to fly in a specific area. I do that all the time with my Phantom 4 Pro. With these, I would have to do that. So, if you have a license already and you live in the country, you can use them. You don't need to contact NAV Canada. You're good to go. But if you don't have a license, you don't want a license, so what do? And you don't want to land in the sand or land in the grass. I have a solution for you. It's $15 on Amazon. And it's called a landing pad. Look at that. Landing pad. And this one comes in 2 different colors. So you put that on the beach or on low grass. And this is how you land and take off safely without the risk of having sand or dirt inside your Mavic Mini. So that's my solution. If you don't have a license or you live in a tough country regarding drone regulations, which is the case in Canada. Other than that, these are great. And like I said at the beginning, the build quality is impressive. You don't see it very much on on camera. It's hard to see. Focus here, please. Thank you very much. So it's hard to see, but I'm very happy with the build quality. So guys, I can tell you this is very, very impressive. So thank you for watching. And as always, if you have any questions about these PGYTECH Mavic Mini leg extensions, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.